Tired of manually copying Facebook leads into your CRM? Let's fix that in under 90 seconds. First, head over to Zapier and click on the big orange Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. Now, in the trigger section, search for Facebook lead ads and select it. This tells Zapier to listen for new leads coming from Facebook. You'll need to connect your Facebook account, then select the specific Facebook page and lead form you want to track. Make sure the form is active. Next, Zapier will ask you to test the trigger. This pulls in a sample lead, so you can make sure everything is connected correctly. Look good. Awesome. Now for the action. This is where you decide what happens with the new lead. Let's say you want to add it to a Google Sheet. Search for Google Sheets and select it. Connect your Google Sheets account and choose the spreadsheet and worksheet. Then, map the information from your Facebook lead ad form like name, email, and phone number to the corresponding columns in your spreadsheet. Time to test the action. Zapier will send the sample lead to your Google Sheet. Check your sheet to make sure the data is showing up correctly. Give your Zap a descriptive name so you can easily find it later. Finally, toggle the Zap on and that's it. Now, every time someone fills out your Facebook lead ad form, their information will automatically be added to your Google Sheet. No more manual data entry.